Unit 12. Environment. In the primitive times, the human population was very little and the environment was maintained cleanly without getting affected much. But now the population increased. The number of industries as well as transport increased, thereby spoiling the balance. We should follow some precautions to protect our environment. Science has made progress, giving way to many comforts. The increase of industries and automobiles disturbs the environment. It spoils the beauty of nature and causes numerous health hazards. The factories produce a lot of waste materials, which contain many harmful things. They also pollute the water, air, and land. Pollution is the contamination of land, water, and air by harmful things. The environment is polluted in 5 ways. They are: 1. Air pollution, 2. Water pollution, 3. Soil pollution, 4. Thermal pollution, 5. Noise pollution. The various effects of the pollution are given below. The 1st July of every year is celebrated as Vana Mahotsav Day. On this day, plants are planted thousands in numbers, thereby making our environment green. Air pollution. Air is always filled with dirt. It is never clean. The contamination of air by harmful things is called as air pollution. It causes harmful effects on the lives of human beings, plants, and animals. Causes: 1. Smoke from the burning coal in factories and houses pollutes the air. 2. Smoke is also obtained from automobiles like cars, scooters, trucks, and buses, which pollute the environment. 3. The harmful gases and poisonous gases which are released from factories pollute the air. 4. Garbage thrown in open also pollutes air, thereby causing diseases. Effects: 1. The harmful gases cause headache, allergies of skin, and also some breathing problems. 2. Air pollution also damages the plants and trees. 3. Some of the gases combine with rainwater and produce acid rains. 4. It also causes the radioactive pollution, which causes hazardous diseases like cancer. Air pollution. Water pollution. The contamination of water with harmful things is called water pollution. Water pollution. Causes: 1. The domestic sewage is thrown into rivers and seas, thereby causing water pollution. 2. The industrial wastes are thrown in the rivers, polluting the water. 3. The animals are also washed nearby rivers, which also causes water pollution. Effects: 1. Such water that is polluted becomes unsuitable for drinking. 2. This polluted water is also not suitable for irrigational purposes. 3. It causes damage to the lives of the aquatic plants and animals in the rivers and seas. Soil pollution. Causes. 1. The insecticides and the pesticides used in the fields pollute the land. 2. Waste like garbage, trash, polythene bags, plastic bottles, and cans also damage the soil. Effect. The plants do not grow healthily in such soil and do not give better yield. Thermal pollution. Cause. The heated gases or water which are released into air pollute the air. Effects. 1. It affects the climate. 2. Such heated water when released kills the aquatic life. Noise pollution. Cause. It is caused mainly due to the noises from factories, buses, trains, televisions, etc. Effect. The loud noises cause deafness, irritation, hypertension, etc. Control measures. Air pollution. 1. The industries should be away from the human residences. 2. Device that controls or removes the poisonous gases and particles from entering into the air should be used. 3. Automobiles should be regularly checked with anti-pollution vehicles. 4. Factories should have chimneys which are fitted with filters to let the smoke and gases out. Water pollution. 1. Sewage and factory waste are to be treated before being released into the rivers. 2. Garbage should not be thrown into water. Soil pollution. 1. The chemical fertilizers, insecticides, pesticides should be used wisely. 2. Garbage should be disposed of in a suitable place. Thermal pollution. All the gases and water that are heated should be allowed to cool off before they are released into the environment. Noise pollution. 1. The use of loudspeakers in the public places should be banned. 2. TV and radio also should be played in a low volume. 3. All the automobiles should have silencers that are good and the horns shouldn't be blown. 4. All the factories should be placed away from the cities. Let's revise the important points. 1. Pollution is the contamination of land, water, and air by harmful things. 2. The environment is polluted in 5 ways. They are air pollution, water pollution, soil pollution, thermal pollution, and noise pollution. 3. The 1st July of every year is celebrated as Vana Mahotsav Day. 4. The causes, effects, and control measures of each type of pollution should be thoroughly learned by every child. Do these. 1. Answer the following questions. Conceptual understanding. 1. What are the causes of air pollution? Answer. The causes of air pollution are: 1. Smoke from the burning coal in factories and houses pollute the air. 2. Smoke obtained from automobiles pollute the environment. 3. The harmful gases and poisonous gases released from factories pollute the air. 4. Garbage thrown in open also pollute air. 2. What are the effects of water pollution? Answer. The effects of water pollution are: 1. Such water that is polluted becomes unsuitable for drinking. 2. This polluted water is also not suitable for irrigational purposes. 3. It causes damage to the lives of the aquatic plants and animals in the rivers and seas. 3. How can we control noise pollution? Answer. Control measures of noise pollution. 1. The use of loudspeakers in the public places should be banned. 2. TV and radio all should be played in a low volume. 3. All the automobiles should have silencers that are good and the horns shouldn't be blown. 4. All the factories should be placed away from the cities. 4. Write about thermal pollution. Answer. Thermal pollution. Cause. The heated gases or water which are released into air pollute the air. Effects. It affects the climate. Such heated water, when released, kills the aquatic life. Control measures. All the gases and water that are heated should be allowed to cool off before they are released into the environment. 2. Fill in the blanks. Conceptual understanding. 3. Write T for true or F for false statements. Conceptual understanding. 4. Do you know? Noise is measured in units called decibels. We become deaf if there is a noise over 130 by 140 decibels. The smoke released by vehicles and factories mainly consists of carbon monoxide. 5. Project work. Ask the students to collect the pictures showing various types of pollution and stick them in their project book.